Hi kabahay! So we are still here at the Versailles here in Alabang, Muntinlupa City. So here is Irene model. It has a lot area of 398 square meters and floor area of 368 square meters. And it can fit the 4 cars here at the carport area. Let's check inside. So let's check mga kabahay ang ating carport area dito sa ating Irene model. So as you can see, this is an elevated car park and it has a cover and the flooring is made of pebbles and tiles and it can fit 4 cars. So as you can see mga kabahay, ang ating Irene model has a minimalist design and it is a modern design. So as you can see, the frontage is very wide. We have an ample space for gardening and the property has a total of 5 bedrooms and it has own toilet and bath and the family hall inside. Let's check this out. So on this side mga kabahay is the setback area where you can place your lanai area. So as you can see, we have a sliding door here which has an access going to the living area. On this side naman is the another sliding door access going to the dining area. And good thing dito sa ating lanai area, as you can see, meron na tayong laundry area and another access door going naman to our kitchen area. So kabahay, on this side is the back end or the perimeter area of the property. It has an access going to our parking area. So this is the porch area mga kabahay and let's have a quick tour inside the house. So upon entering mga kabahay is a spacious living area. So as you can see, this is a free layout. And as you can see, napakaluwag at napakalaki ng ating space. Dito pa lang yan sa ground floor area. So on this side mga kabahay will be your dining area. It can fit 6 to 10 seating capacity of dining table and it has a high ceiling on this side. So here at the kitchen area, you can see this is a very spacious kitchen area. So dun sa mga love na magluto, this is the best place for you. So we have here a maid's room with own toilet and bath. And this side, this is the access going to our laundry area. So welcome here at the bedroom number 1 here at the ground floor. So as you can see, ang ating bedroom number 1 has a very enough space for your single to queen size bed. Meron itong own toilet and bath and mini walk-in closet. So if you have elders or if you prefer to have a guest room, this is the best room for your guests. So let's check the own toilet and bath here at the bedroom number 1. We also have a powder room for your guests here at the ground floor. So let's check mga kabahay ang ating second floor. So as you can see, ang ating staircase is made of concrete and wood tiles. So we have a total of 2 bedrooms here at the second floor. Let's check the bedroom number 1 here at the second floor. So as you can see mga kabahay, sobrang lawak at sobrang laki ng space dito sa ating bedroom number 1. So as you can see, kasyang-kasya ang king size bed. Pwede ka pa maglagay ng office table and entertainment showcase area here at your bedroom number 1. At meron ito own toilet and bath with walk-in closet. Let's check mga kabahay ang ating walk-in closet here at the bedroom number 1. It also has an access going to own toilet and bath. Para kabahay, check naman natin ang ating bedroom number 2 here at the second floor. So same as bedroom number 1, makikita nyo, napakaluwag ang ating space dito sa ating bedroom number 2. The difference is, meron itong access papunta sa ating balcony. And of course, meron tayo dito walk-in closet with own toilet and bath. So let's check the balcony area mga kabahay. Let's check mga kabahay ang ating walk-in closet with an access going to our toilet and bath with bathtub. Let's check naman mga kabahay ang ating third floor here at the Irene model. So as you can see, meron tayo ditong high ceiling and of course, we have another set of 2 bedrooms here at the third floor. And as I have said earlier, we have here a family hall at that third floor. So before we move to our bedroom number 3, we have here a storage area. So this is the bedroom number 3. Dito naman yan located sa ating 3rd floor. So as you can see, very spacious pa rin ang ating room. And of course, same as bedroom number 1 and 2 sa ating ground floor. And 2nd floor, meron tayo ditong walk-in closet with own toilet and bath. Let's check the bedroom number 3 walk-in closet with an access going to our own toilet and bath. Finally, mga kabahay, we are now here at the last bedroom, which is the 5th bedroom here at the Irene model. So as you can see, napakalaki ng ating bedroom dito sa ating 5th bedroom. So as you can see, para tong dance studio. So any type or any size ng bed, kayang-kayang i-accommodate dito sa ating last bedroom. And of course, ang good thing, meron pa rin tayo ditong walk-in closet with own toilet and bath. Let's check naman mga kabayan ang ating walk-in closet here at the bedroom 5 with an access to its own toilet and bath. So kabahay, if you're interested to view this Irene model, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. I am Bon Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC and Lisuda accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching mga kabahay.